Here's the boat off the trailer. The hull looks like it's in pretty good shape. We're scrubbing it up and cleaning it up a little bit. You can see on the other side there that what it looked like before, and this is kind of what we're trying to get to. I'm going to take the centerboard off. I'm a little worried about a crack there next to where it's connected to the boat, and we're going to take a look at that and see if it needs any kind of work or repair. But I'm excited. The boat's in great shape. We're going to do some work on it. Talking to our local boat dealer, he told us about these products that did a pretty good job. So we're going to work with this and see what we can get done. First, we're going to use the rubbing compound to take off the heavy-duty oxidation and scratches. So that's the first course. It's the heavy-duty scratch remover and oxidization remover, and it looks pretty good. Now let's put on the finesse part. This is the Finesse It 2 glaze, and we'll see how that works. So there you have it. This is the oxidized part. This is the part we've cleaned up with the 3M products. Check it out. Go to our website, getwetsailing.com/holder, and see some other products that you can use to clean the oxidization off your boat. Until next time, go out and get wet sailing.